Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to enable the hidden Wi-Fi developer option in Samsung smartphone and tablet running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Samsung home screen. So firstly just go to the settings and now you'll see here connections. Just click on it. Now just click on this Wi-Fi option. Now just click on the three dot icons. Now you'll see here intelligent Wi-Fi, right? Just click on it. Now below you will see here intelligent Wi-Fi. Just keep tapping on it until you see your already a Wi-Fi developer option is enabled. So you can see here Wi-Fi developer options. So let's click on it. Now you can see here various options present inside it. So you can just click on each of its options like connection information, which will show you all the Wi-Fi internet connections that you're being connected. Next to it is some L2 status. You can see here details of your Wi-Fi's and L3 status. So here you can see IP addresses, your Wi-Fi name, DNS servers, everything here. And next to it is our nearby Wi-Fi information. So now right now you can see, and below you will see here the names of your Wi-Fi. Next to it is our channel utilizations. Here you can see all the channel utilizations here regarding the frequency. Next is our Wi-Fi and network diagnosis. So you can see the available networks. Next is a network diagnosis, and here you can see below Wi-Fi history. So you can see the router specific history here. All the history list here mentioned below you can see, and next to it is a time specific history. So you can see here, you can just click on this down arrow icon. You can see your RSSI, TX good, TX bad, TX retry, BCN, CNT. So you can select the respective options to check out the graphs. And the last one is regarding the application specific history. So here no available log right now. So these are the options you're gonna get inside this Wi-Fi developer options. And if you want to disable it again, just turn it off, move back. So you can see here it's being hidden again. So by using this method you can easily enable the hidden Wi-Fi developer option in Samsung smartphone and tablet running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.